A very good morning, my dear students. So we are doing factorization. Okay. Now, what do you mean by factorization? Making factors. Whenever we express a number in the product form, is called factorization. For example, 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 2 in one bracket, 3 into another bracket. So 2 into 3. So 6 is factorized as 2 into 3. Or you can say that 6 is factorized as 1 into 2 into 3. Such processes are called factorization, and 1, 2, 3 are called factors. Correct? We also studied about the common factors. Okay, we studied about the common factors. Now, common factors means there are two numbers whose factors are same. For example, if I write, let us say 6, and if I write, let me take another example. I give the example of 6. If I write, say, 16, then if I write, say, 24, so this means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now, what are the common factors here? 2 and only 2. 2 is the common factor. Here 3 is not there. So 3 is not the common factor. Correct? Suppose if there is minus, and here also minus. In that case, minus 2 will be the common factor. Here all will be minus there. In that case, minus 2 will be the common factor. This is what we did in our last classes. Okay. Now, but when it comes to identity, the things are different. Things are different than what we did with the numbers. Okay. But the idea is same. The idea is same. In case of identities, in case of algebraic expression, what happens? We use letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. So, my dear students, let me take question number 1. I have already taken some of the parts. Let me take some more parts. If it is, suppose let me take this part, 8th part. 8th part, we have a raised to 4 plus 2a square b square plus b raised to 4. Correct? Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to find out the two squares. Let us find out two squares. Where are the two squares are hidden? Now this number cannot be expressed as square because 2 is there. This 2 can be expressed as square, but this cannot be expressed as 2 cannot be expressed as whole square. So the other two numbers, this number and this number, we can write as a square plus b square a square b square plus 2a square b square. Now this a square is this term, b square is this term. Alright? Now you know very well, this is of which type? This is of type a plus b whole square, or let us say x plus y whole square. What is x plus y whole square? X plus y whole square is x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is of this type. Correct? So therefore this is, it becomes what? X plus y whole square. So this will become a square plus b square whole square. A square plus b square whole square. And this is factorized. Whenever you have a number in the square form or in the whole square form, it is factorized. Okay, this is factorization. Now let me take let me start with question number 2 today. Question number 2, I will take the fourth part. Question number 2, the fourth part. This is 16x raised to 5 minus 144x cube. Now see, there are two terms. If there are two terms, so like this, for two terms we have a minus b in the bracket a plus b for two terms. But if you look at this, you will not find any squares here. There are no squares here. But we can find out some common. Let us take out the common first. So this is x3 16x square minus 144. I have taken out x cube common. So I get like this. Let us find out next what can be done. X cube, this is 4x whole square. 4x whole square is 16x square minus 12 square. 12 square is 144. So therefore, I can say that this is of this type. Correct? So x cube bracket 4x minus 12 and 4x plus 12. Clear? So this is factorized this way, and this was fourth part. Clear? This is factorized in this way. Now, what further we can do is, if you look at from this, 4 can be easily taken out, from this 4 can easily be taken out. It is factorized, no doubt, it is factorized, but it is not factorized completely. Let us factorize it completely. X cube into 4, let me rub this, otherwise there won't be space. Let me rub this here. Let me write this here. X cube into 4 bracket x minus 3 again into 4 bracket x plus 3. Alright, here 4x is 4x, 4 into 3 is 12. Similarly 4 into x is 4x, 4 into 3 is 12. Now this 4 into this 4 will become 16x cube. This 4 into this 4 becomes 16x cube in the bracket x minus 3, x plus 3. Clear? So this is what, and this is factorized. This is what is factorization in question number 2. In question number 2, maximum, in fact all the questions are based on this. In question number 2, all the questions are based on this. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. Or you can write a plus b, a minus b. The meaning is same. Both the meanings. It is commutative, remember. So this is what we did in the factorization. Okay. So do question number 2 once again. Practice. Let us see. If any problem is there, do let me know. Thank you and have a nice day.